Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So tonight we're going to be doing the unboxing of the September 2020 Bargain Bead Box, and I can't wait to show you guys what all is in there. So I'm really enjoying this new theme that they have this month. So I'm really excited, and they included a bonus item, so I can't wait to show you guys what that is, because it's actually something that I just made last month with the Bargain Bead Box. So it's actually pretty funny that they sent us one. So there's my kitty, Momma Cat. She always jumps on me when I'm trying to do some beading stuff. So she every time she sees me sit in my chair or my little studio area here, she has to come and bug me. So I figured I'd include her in the video this time, since she had good timing and jumped on me right as I was about to start recording. So here's Momma Cat. So she doesn't like that I've been holding her for this long. So she's like, "You're restricting my movement. I want to get down." Right? Okay. Alright, anyway, so that was Momma Cat, and she didn't like me holding her for that long, but that's okay. So she pesters me all the time, so it's okay if I do it back to her for a little bit. So enjoy this video, and thanks for tuning in. Alright, here we go on this Bargain Bead Box unboxing for September 2020, and the theme is Fancy Forest. So this month all of our things came in this nice pretty green organza bag. Like they do every month, the organza bag ties to the color of the theme of the box. So this says gemstones in autumnal hues takes center stage this month, with fancy jasper showing off a wide variety of rich fall colors. And then we're going to have a 3mm faceted garnet round. So really pretty stuff. I can't wait to show you what all's in here. And they've included a free bonus pendant from their sister store, beadboxbargains.com, which when you sign up for the subscription, you also get a coupon for 30% off of your order at their site every month, and you can use it as many times as you want. And they have really good prices there. You can go to that site and buy even if you're not a member. But if you're a member, if you have the subscription, then you get this 30% off coupon. They also have a contest every month where you can win a $50 gift certificate if you enter your work that you've made with the things from this box. And then this month we are getting 20 items, and that includes the bonus pendant, and it's approximately a $72 value. So this is actually a really good one. So I can't wait to show you guys what we got here. So the first one we're going to start off with is 5 pieces of 18.5mm round tree charms. So these are really cute, and all the findings here are going to be in this antique copper finish, except for the bonus pendant, and you'll see why. It's really cute. Alright, so number 2 is 100 pieces of 4mm stainless steel balls. So these are going to be really cute for spacers in different designs. Very nice. They have big wide holes, so that kind of opens up the options of things you can do with them as well. Alright, so number 3, we have this really cool 52mm leaf pendant. So that is pretty cool. It's a nice big size pendant. You can see it's about 3 fingers wide there. So that is really nice. And it looks good from both sides. Number 4 is 3 sets of bamboo style toggle clasps. So those are nice. I like those. You can see everything's in the same finish, so it's all very cohesive. Number 5, we have 5 pieces of oval branch beads, 14 by 10mm. So those are cute. I like those little branches on there. And they're beads, so you can see they have a hole that goes through them. Those are fun. Alright, so number 6 here is an approximately 7-inch strand of 8mm fancy Jasper round beads. So those are cute. I really like these colors. Got some yellows and some green blue colors. Very pretty. Nice range of colors in that. Alright, and then every month they send us a meter of some sort of jewelry chain. So this is called curb chain. And this is 5 by 3 millimeter links. So nice chain. You can see you get a good length of it that you can do a lot of things with. So there's that one. All right. So number 8 is the bonus free pendant from Bead Box Bargains, and it's a Tourmaline Tree of Life. So I actually just made a Tree of Life out of my Bargain Bead Box last month. So this is really cute, and I'm so excited that we got this. Now this pendant is in silver and not the antique copper finish that we got in the rest of this box, but that is okay because I like silver, and usually I tend to, you know, make at least one set that is not in the same finish that they sent. So, and silver is usually my go-to, so I am okay with that. All right, number 9. This 10-gram bag of 16 by 10 millimeter round tree links. So when it says links, that means that they link two things together, so they have holes on either side. And then there are, you know, holes that you could connect into down on here if you wanted to, you know, get creative and add something else to these. So that is an option. You could definitely get jump rings in there. So those are fun. All right, number 10, halfway through, is 10 pieces of 13 by 10 millimeter glass leaf charms in light Magma AB. So it's got this nice yellow color, and then you can see how it kind of has some like purpley edges. So those are fun. I like those a lot. You can see one side is like smooth, and the other side has this leafing. So that's fun. They're kind of concave, so they go in on one side and come out on the other side. So two-sided, but the sides are different. All right, number 11 here. We have 50 pieces of 5.5 millimeter bumpy star bead caps. So those are kind of tiny. So those are fun, but they're definitely tiny. You can see, kind of looks like a little star. You see that? There you go. Try to get the camera to focus. There you go. So you can see it's a cute little star. It's bumpy. So those are fun. I like those. All right, number 12 is an approximately 7-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter fancy Jasper Rondelle beads. So I really I'm loving these colors in here. You can see it's not all the same color. Got like a little pink kind of bead here, lots of green blues. Very nice. This one's got some little cream color in there. Very, very nice. Really enjoying these Jasper beads. Alright, number 13. Guess what? More Jasper beads. So this is a 7-inch strand of 10 millimeter fancy Jasper round beads. So we don't typically get 10 millimeters too much. Well, maybe we do. Yeah, we'll say we do. So yeah, so these are 10 millimeter Jasper. So it's definitely a very cohesive look. Now this one I don't have any of these kind of reddish colors in here. These are all kind of green and white, clear. But those are fun. I like them. Alright. So up next, they usually send us some sparklies. So we got an 8-inch strand of 8 by 6 millimeter crystal Rondelle beads in green iris. So these actually, before I saw the color, I really thought they were gray. But then once you hold them up, then you can kind of see the green. Brighten it up a little bit, see if you can see that color in there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to brighten the screen up a little bit, see if that helps you see that color a little bit better. Definitely very sparkly. But yeah, I didn't see the green at first. I thought more gray. But then once I knew to look for green and I started looking for it, then I could see it better. All right, 15 is 4 pieces of 32.5 millimeter chandelier components. So you can see one side kind of has this bumpy texture and the other side smooth. So I don't know if you would say that's a front and a back or just two different styles. Yeah, I don't know if there's like one of these is supposed to be a front, but it looks to me like you could use them facing either way depending on the look you're going for. These if you're going more rustic, and then it has the 3 loops on the bottom here and then one at the top. And then of course you could always attach things from these sides in here as well. Okay, so 16 is a 5-inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeters. So these are kind of small. Crystal coin beads in blue champagne. So these are definitely some little tiny beads here. But they are cute. I like them. The champagne color is kind of like a tan. And then that blue is just a really pretty blue. Alright, 4 pieces left. So this is number 17, and this is approximately a 41 millimeter fancy Jasper round focal bead. So let me see if I can focus in on this. There you go. So when I brighten it up, you can see like this side's kind of darker and that side's kind of lighter. And then on this side, it's all kind of just this blue color. And you can see these, they have some veining in them. Sorry guys, I'm trying to like make this focus better. I've been having some lighting issues. I moved my desk and now I can't figure out good lighting without having a bunch of lines across my table here. So bear with me. I tried this new strip of lights and now that's all I see in the reflection on the stone is that strip of lighting. Alright, we'll get it worked out. Okay, so number 18 is a 100-piece strand of 4 millimeter crystal bicone beads in peach champagne shimmer. These are definitely sparkly. Look at all that sparkle on there. Lots of sparkle. Sparkle, sparkle. If you've ever watched Moana, that's a Moana reference. My 2-year-old loves that movie and we've watched it many, 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 many times at this point. Alright, so number 19, here's that garnet strand I was telling you about. So it's actually a longer strand. So it's a 14-inch strand. It's a 14-inch strand of finely faceted round beads. Oops, I can get it to cooperate here. There we go. So it's very pretty, very small little tiny beads, but they definitely have a lot of shine. They're 3 millimeter and they're in a garnet color, which is really pretty. I really like that color a lot. And last, we have 20 pieces of 6 millimeter crystal polygon beads in slate green iris. So those are fun. So we got 20 pieces. And they're polygons. Don't get that one all the time. I just lost one. Alright, this is why I have a rug under my workspace here, so that way my beads don't go very far when they fall. I had to learn the hard way to do that. I don't know where that one went. I had to find one of those. Alright, so you guys watched my videos before, you know that I have a box here that I put all of my items into that have the numbers. I cut the numbers out from the bags and I just taped them right inside here. And so I'm just going to pop those right in. And then it just helps to see everything, you know, kind of how it's laid out here as I'm going through. And then I can just have a nice visual when I'm trying to decide, you know, how I want to put my pieces together. And I've learned as I'm going through them just to keep them in order so that I can just stick them in order right into the box. Alright, so there we go. I still never added 19 and 20. When I first started, we used to get 18, 17 or 18, and then they started going up to 20 now, so which is a great bargain. So you get this box at $17.95 shipped to your door in the United States. I believe it's extra for shipping outside of the United States. And if you use the coupon code that I have, SJS2, then you get $2 off of your first shipment. So definitely a great deal. I really enjoyed this box. I now get 4 subscription boxes. I'm going to drop one off very, very soon. And this is my favorite, number one, because it comes with, you know, the coordinated findings, and pendants and stuff like that, you know, chandelier findings. So my next favorite would be the curated bead box. That one gives you a lot of beads, but definitely not as good of quality, and you don't get very often any kind of metal findings. You definitely, you know, you get a little findings pack, but it's just like lobster claws and a little bit of beading wire. You don't get chain with it or anything like that. So, but definitely this is my number one favorite subscription box, and I will be making a finished jewelry video. So go ahead and comment below which piece is your favorite out of this month. I think my favorite, I want to say the Tree of Life, but I've made those before on my own. So in this one, I'm going to say it's this big Jasper Pendant. I like on this side how it kind of has like a yin-yang look. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it's like one half is darker than the other. I can see it in person. I can't tell if you guys can see it or not. Alright, so there you go. So that is my favorite piece. And thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'm making steady progress. I think I'm over 800 now, or I'm close to it if I'm not. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I appreciate it if you would subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, but I'm not going to monetize my channel. It's just so that I can get a couple extra features. The main feature that I'm really looking forward to is I could go live with my phone. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will super appreciate it. And thank you for watching, and have a great night.